Hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Ian Sutton, and today is January 1st, 2026. In this video, I would like to say a few words about the book Process Safety Management. The book was written by myself and published by Elsevier in December 2025. The book Process Safety Management provides a comprehensive description of the discipline of process safety management. It was written for people working in the energy and process industries, operations and maintenance managers, safety specialists, executives, design engineers, and regulators. Industries covered include oil refineries, chemical plants, offshore oil and gas platforms, pipelines, and any organization that handles hazardous or flammable chemicals. The book is grounded in theory, but it is also intensely practical. All concepts and ideas are illustrated with guidance as to how they can be put into practice at 8 o'clock on Monday morning. Standard examples are provided. These examples are used in subsequent chapters to illustrate ideas as they are introduced. The book is large. It has 21 chapters. A brief overview of the chapter titles is provided in the next 3 slides. More information will be provided in subsequent videos. The chapters are available as standalone ebooks provided by the company Science Direct. Here are the titles of the first 7 chapters. And here are chapters 8 through 14. Chapters 15 through 21. We conclude this brief video with information as to where the book can be purchased. Information is also provided on how to access the many other publications that we provide. As a reminder, we will be publishing more videos that describe this book's chapters in greater detail. I hope that you will join us for those. In the meantime, I hope that you found this video to be helpful. Thank you for joining us.